Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make grilled coconut chicken. This is a Swahili dish. This is a barbecued chicken dish with a coconut-based sauce. Now, the best results you get is when you place it onto the barbecue. And it's got that smoky charcoal flavor, the blend of spices, and that luscious coconut flavor. Now, this is a special recipe that's being recommended by one of our viewers, so thank you to you for recommending this. And I had a taste of it, I just ate it, and it was superb. It was just enlightening. It was just like, wow, absolutely wonderful. So you can serve this with chips, with roti, like naan, or with rice. So that's totally up to you. So let's move on to the recipe itself. Okay, you saw how to make this coconut chicken, which is again another of those dishes that comes from the East African region. It was absolutely superb. As we always say, do comment below what your requests are, because we have a look at it, and if it makes sense to us, we definitely go out of our way to make it. So that's what we've done over here today, and I want to thank you, because not only does it serve our community, where everyone gets to learn of this dish for those who may not even be aware of it, but it also is great for my family, because when we eat it, we're like, wow, what a recommendation. That was so delicious. So with that said, do like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, hit that notification bell icon, share this video to as many people as possible, comment below what your recommendations are, and with that said, catch you in the next one.